Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing is rolling out a new update for Nothing Phone 2, though it's based on Android 13, but the Nothing OS version is 2.0.4. We'll talk about all the changes, what you get to see with this new build. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Nothing Phone 2. If I talk about the software information, now under About section you can see Nothing OS version is 2.0.4. Android version is Android 13. It comes with 1st October 2023 security patch. And also guys, if you haven't seen our Nothing OS 2.5 video, which is based on Android 14, then make sure to watch that video. Link of that will be given in the description below. Previously I was running Android 14 on my Nothing Phone 2 and I've also posted a full review. If you guys are running Android 14 beta 1, then you won't receive a OTA update, so you need to downgrade your device. So I downgraded my device and then later I received the OTA update. Let me show you the update size and the changelogs. So here you can see update size was around 87 MB, which brings some new features and some improvements and bug fixes. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now one thing, if I talk about the changelogs, so if you see here under what's new, it says new photos widget have been added, and they have also added the option to hide application. But I'm not sure about hide application, but widgets were available. Let me show you a screenshot which I took before updating the device. So this is the screenshot where you can see we had almost 17 new widgets on the previous build, and wherein I did not even sideload the launcher. My device got format after downgrading, so there was no updated launcher installed by myself, but still there were 17 widgets, which include widgets like clock, compass, nothing X, photos. You can see it was already there, which is called photos widget, but now in the changelogs they do say they have added these widgets. So I don't know why did they mention in the changelogs if it was already present on the previous build, but I'm not sure because I keep on testing other devices. So if you guys are aware whether this thing was already present on Nothing Phone 2, then do let me know in the comment section below. For new users, let's go through all the changes. So as I said, new photo widget have been added. Let me show you how do you get that photo widget. So if you long press, go to widgets, tapping on this photo widget, there are two widgets of photos. One is in circular shape and one in square shape. So let me take an example of square shape. If I apply it on the home screen, you get an option to add the photos from where you can select photos from your photo library. So for example, I'll select this photo, tapping on add. Once you add this is how it's going to look. And let me show you a few other settings of this photo widget. So if you go to settings, there is an option to automatically shuffle. There are three options once you unlock the device: hourly based and daily based. And there's also an option of grayscale preview, which you guys can see right now. But this can be disabled anytime. If you want to have the colors in the photo, disable it, and there we go. Also there's an option to disable this frame, but frame looks good in my opinion. So if I'm using this widget, I'll keep frame enabled. So this is one add-on what they have done. And then they say they have updated the widget library interface to now display Nothing widgets in a category. So as I showed you the screenshot, which you guys can see on the screen also, I personally did not find any kind of changes here. And later they have also added an option to hide application. If you are in the app drawer, you can just swipe towards the right side. There's an option called hide icon. If you tap on this edit button, you can hide any app icon from your app drawer or the home screen. So we have hidden calendar application, and you can see that application is not present here. You have to go to the hide app section where you get access to that particular application. Under home settings also you can find this option hide app icon. Now moving on to the other changelogs, which are layer 2 improvements and bug fixes. So here they have done improvements layer 2 camera and audio. So first let's talk about the camera. Let me show you the camera app version here. So if you see the version, it is 09.52. Let me also show you the previous app version, which was 09.45. So slightly upgraded version can be seen here. And with the first changelog, they say they have made processing improvements for scene with bright backlight. So yes guys, we did try out some photos before and after update, and I can say there are a lot of improvements. If you see the particular photos which are clicked directly facing the sunlight, the photos which were clicked before, it's pretty hard to see the clouds near to the sun. But if you see the photo which we clicked after updating, that seems to be improved a lot. So yes, here I can see a noticeable improvement. After that, they say they have improved zoom consistency between previewed footage. So here also I did notice slight improvements after updating the device. If I am switching between the lenses like 1x and 2x, the zoom consistency is way improved. The animation seems a bit smoother now compared to previous one. But when you switch to 0.6x, this jitter I personally don't like. I hope nothing also improves this thing in the upcoming builds. And later they say they improved the speaker volume for specific scenarios. So here also we did a testing before and after update. We don't have any specific gadget to measure, but we played a similar song for 1 minute and I did not notice much of improvements. If I talk about the values, after updating, the maximum dB which I noticed was 95, but before the update it was 100 dB. And the average dB was 76 after the update, and before the update it was 75 dB. So this is a sound frequency, and I personally don't see any kind of noticeable change in the average frequency. And at last they say they have optimized the sound when simultaneously connecting to smartwatch and earbuds via Bluetooth. So I don't have a smartwatch to test it out. If you guys see a noticeable change, then do let me know in the comment section below. So guys, these were all the changes what Nothing have done with the latest update for Nothing Phone 2. You guys let me know whether you want a full in-depth review of this build or not. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Nah, don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow.